Welcome to Simple Tables in Excel. Let's dive in and learn how to create a simple table in Excel to organize your data and make analysis a breeze. Whether you're tracking budgets, comparing sales, or organizing tasks, tables are a game changer. Let's get started. Here is some raw data that I want to turn into a structured table. This will make it easier to read, sort, and analyze. For best results, it's a good idea to ensure your data has headers, as they'll make your table even more functional. Let's select the data. Click and drag to highlight the entire range of data, including your headers. Alternatively, if all the data is grouped together and complete, simply click anywhere within the data to begin. Now go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click Table. Excel automatically detects the range of your data. Double check that it's correct and make sure the option My Table Has Headers is selected if you've included column names. Then click OK and voila! Your table is created. Excel gives your table a default style, but you can customize it to match your needs. Click anywhere within the table to bring up the Table Design menu. Go to the Table Design menu tab and pick a style that works for you. Want to see totals? Just click in your table, head back to the Table Design tab and check the Total Row option. You can even highlight the first or last column for emphasis. Let's explore some other table features. Here's the magic of tables. They grow with your data. Add a new entry by clicking in the last cell of the row and pressing Tab. Excel automatically adds a new row for you, formatted, ready for you to type your data. Want to sort your data? Click the drop-down arrow on a column header and choose an option like Sorting by Profit from highest to lowest. Simple. Filtering is just as easy. Click the drop-down arrow, deselect, select all, then choose specific items you want to see. For example, filter by campaign owner and select only Connors, and then click on OK. Excel does the rest. Remember, the arrow changes to a filter icon so you can track which columns have active filters. Don't forget to clear filters when you're done by clicking the filter icon again and selecting Clear Filter. And that's it. You've learned how to create a simple table in Excel, customize its style, and use features like sorting and filtering to make your data more manageable. Try it out yourself and see how tables can simplify your workflow. Thanks for watching.